Hello, lovelies. Welcome to Jaybush channel. Today, I'll be sharing with you some businesses that you should give a try this 2024. Just three businesses, side hustles that you can try out and then make some cool cash this 2024. The first one will be digital. Digital business has always been the top notch, but in recent times, the world is revolving and a lot of things have changed. A lot of people want digital presence and want to be seen online. So, this is an avenue for you to meet businesses, small businesses and medium, whatever. Go meet them and then help them out with their social media presence. Their digital presence is very important. So, make out time, go meet businesses and then utilize this chance and make some cool cash by. You could design websites for them. You can as well put up some pages for them, social media presence, Facebook. There's some social media packages for them, pages, groups. Make them known, make them visible. Find a way and utilize this time and make your cool cash. You can as well create a simple website, one-page website. It doesn't cost much. Now you have templates online. You have some templates online where you can just use them, put it up. Even as a business owner, this is also for you. You can as well go ahead and go online, search for all those websites. Free websites are there. You wouldn't have to pay a lot of money to create them. If you don't have your money to go build an elaborate website, go ahead and utilize this chance and have your website. Yeah, go online, create your website, put up your page on Facebook and Instagram, TikTok, any other platform you want to be seen. Use that platform and sell your business. Yes. So for side hustles, for you looking for that small business, looking for what to do, looking for how to get to businesses, fine. This is an opportunity for you. This is an opportunity for you to meet with those businesses and get it done. That's the first one. Digital presence is very important. So digital business is revolving, and I would say that a lot of people want to be seen. Some businesses, you can see that some businesses do not even have a social bio profile, nothing about the business, no business profile, and this is not something we should overlook. The first thing is to set up your business profile on Google, let people know you. So if I come to your page or maybe Facebook, wherever you are, your website, and maybe search for you on Google, I should find your business name. I should find you there. Every information about your business should be there on Google. So your business profile is important as well. Also, another business we should explore in 2024 is tutoring. Yes, a lot of families are looking for tutors, a lot looking for teachers to tutor their kids, their kids. So if you are looking for a site also, please go ahead and find these people. Go to different households, talk to them about your area of concentration where you know quite well that you can fit in very well. Explore that chance and teach them. A lot of parents are looking for tutors for their kids. So most of us are out here screaming, we don't have what to do. I don't have a job. I am hungry. And have you explored this option of trying to go to different households, look for kids, teach them? Yes, most of those parents pay monthly. They are ready to pay monthly a huge amount of money. So this is for you. Go meet with them. Subject like mathematics, English, and those science subjects. Some parents are looking for intelligent tutors to handle it. And if you know you are good at that, go ahead and explore this option and then teach. Go online, post it in different platforms that you are good at this. You can teach English, you can teach mathematics and all that. Go ahead and do the adverts. And before you know it, you have a lot of kids, a lot of parents who plug into that page, and then before you know it, you're a tutor of one different household, like five, six, seven. So just imagine yourself having like 20 kids in a month. Then okay, you can as well go ahead and circulate them, put them on different dates. You have this for Monday, have this for Tuesday, have this one for Wednesday, or maybe two families. You can have two families for in a day or three, depending on how much time you have for yourself. So you can do this and utilize your time to teach them and make good money from this business. It's a hidden business. A lot of people do not know about it. A lot of people don't want to even talk about it. Yes, I remember when I was serving as a core member here in Nigeria. I had a family, I had somewhere where I used to go to teach their kids, and then I was making huge amounts of money plus the allowance, the NYC allowance I had. So this is one cool business that you can as well explore to have your money, to make cool money. Another thing is reselling. Have you thought about reselling? Have you thought about reselling? Reselling is one hidden business that people do not know. Fine, you don't want to be in that market space. You don't want to be in the you don't own a shop. Yeah, fine. So be a reseller. That's a middleman. Meet the people who sell, especially wholesalers. Talk to them about the business, then the prices of goods and all that. Negotiate with them and then come up with your favorable price. And do not make it so outrageous so you don't scare clients, customers. Look for a way, advertise, market it, be that middle person, resell it, post on platforms, and then get people to buy from you. That's the best way to sell. I have one friend that just got into reselling of cars. He sells cars. This guy has never been to the main place where they sell cars. He has never been there. But then he's been here. He has contacts of different people, a trusted contact. I'm not saying you should meet people that you don't trust, you don't even know. So trusted contacts, do business with them, negotiate, talk, and then have an agreement. Once you have clients who are ready to buy from you, good, contact them. They will send the goods to you. You deliver them, make your cool cash. Most times, if you have an understanding client or vendor, that's the best way. So get money from your client before getting it back to the vendor, before paying them. Some understand. Some people have that agreement that you can only pay them when your clients buy. If you're fortunate to have those kind of vendors, fine. If you don't have them, no problem. Go ahead and do the business and then explore the options of making cool amounts of money from reselling of products, goods, and services. Services as well, yeah. You can be the middle person, okay, redirect people to another place and then get your commission. Yes, even if maybe the person is a hairdresser, the other person is this that does this business. You can be that middle person. Refer, call the other person, refer, give contacts, and then before you know it, you have a number of people coming in to patronize that vendor. And before you know it, little commissions accumulate, and then you have a huge amount of money. So those are businesses people wouldn't talk about. So look for a way and explore the digital business. You can become a tutor, teach children, students, kids, go meet households and then make your money from that, as well as reselling, which happens to be the last thing I talked about, reselling of goods. Interesting. With this, you can make huge amounts of money. So go ahead and explore these business ideas and make cool money. Okay, I remain Jaybush, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do want to subscribe to my channel for more business tips and more ideas on how to run a business smoothly and make cool amounts of money. Profits for my clients. Profit. All we talk about is profits here. Profit, good profits. Make money and grow your business. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.